Hello everybody, this is Vlada from VLADA'S Place, and I'm sharing just a short video on what I have been doing and the kind of vegetables I'm gathering from our community garden. So this is just some of the stuff I picked up, including spinach, out of which I'm going to make this rich and delicious homemade pasta. Although the mixing does not look good, dough turned out perfect. The idea behind all the videos I share with you is to encourage everyone to start cooking again and to make food using good and wholesome ingredients. I used this fresh spinach and homegrown eggs to make pasta, which would last me at least 3 months. Although this process might take a little time, for the next 3 to 4 months, I'll have a very high quality pasta I can use in all sorts of dishes. So my point is, invest the time, it's worth it.
My next favorite thing is the basket of this beautiful nettle, which I'm gonna use to make tea.
Besides spinach and a nettle I'll use for tea, I also picked up some of these young beets. With beets, you can do all kinds of things. You can juice them, you can roast them, you can use them to make pasta as well, if you wish. This will be a beautiful burgundy color pasta. But today I'm going to roast them, which is the simplest and easiest way to use beets. These beets are so young, they will roast quickly, so I'm just going to add some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then I'm going to roast them on 350 for about 40 minutes. I'm going to put them in a fridge and use them throughout the next few days. I hope these quick videos will inspire you to get back in the kitchen and start cooking, and to realize that you're in charge of your health. So enjoy the cooking, and until the next video, please take good care of yourself and those around you.